Hello, good afternoon. I am doing a diagnostic on this Daywood refrigerator, bottom freezer. Here's the model and serial number. And basically what's been going on, it's been cooling intermittently. Got large temperature fluctuation going on, and also got some ice buildup here in the freezer. So this is how the evaporator cover looked like. Basically all frozen over there. You could see. And this is what the back of the cover looks like. Pretty frozen up, it looks like. So that's the condition of the evap cover. Now that's the door over there. I checked the gasket. It was sealing perfectly around, so the gasket isn't the issue. Now I took the cover off, and you could see the condition of the evaporator coil assembly. You notice that I see no ice buildup over this section on the actual evaporator coil, but over in this section you could actually see ice building up on the coil at the top. See how the ice build up on this side. And on this side you don't have much buildup at all. And you do have a drain on both sides. So based on the frost pattern of the evaporator coil, I can tell that the seal system is okay. There's nothing wrong with the compressor. There is no seal system leak, no refrigerant leak or anything going on. So based on the signs that I'm looking at, where this left coil over here, you're able to see ice buildup and stuff. It does have two drain system, one over there and one over here, and it looks like the drain system assembly over this section is clogged up. That's why you see ice on top of the coil on this side, but no ice on top of the coil on that side. That's the fan assembly there. That looks good. Look how thick that ice is. And it's ice built up on top of there. So once I defrost and clean the defrost drain system all the way and go in the back and make sure it's cleaned properly, and defrost this coil here and put everything back together, everything should be fine. Now this fan here is actually the fresh food, bringing air to the fresh food compartment up top. And customer complaint was that she would notice the fresh food section up top start getting warm in the 50s and stuff, and you could see what will cause it, because if this ice locked up all the way and stopped that fan, ain't no air will be going up into the fresh food compartment up top. So she did tell me that she unplugged it a couple days ago. So I guess that's why it started working again, because all this ice started to melt off. The fan blade was able to turn again, but she said now it started warming up again. So that's the issue. I'm gonna go ahead, look at all these icicle in the seal. So if you notice your refrigerator have icicle in the ceiling, a lot of time you would notice water on the bottom of the inside the freezer floor here. that's definitely your issue. But you could tell seal system is pretty good. This is what your evaporator coil is supposed to look like. A beautifully nice frost pattern. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? And if you put your tongue on this, like my finger getting stuck to it, you put your tongue on this, get stuck like you put your tongue on the pole outside in wintertime. All right, thanks for tuning in.